Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the finest cordless leaf blowers available, where we unravel the complexities of yard maintenance to simplify your decision-making process. As autumn paints our surroundings with a mosaic of leaves, having a reliable cordless leaf blower becomes paramount. In this review, we meticulously assess an array of models, dissecting their power, battery life, maneuverability, and overall performance. Gone are the days of wrestling with cords and limited mobility. Cordless leaf blowers offer the freedom to effortlessly tackle leaves and debris. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a weekend warrior, our comprehensive analysis aims to guide you towards the ideal leaf blower, ensuring your outdoor spaces remain pristine with minimal effort. We'll delve into the nuances of each model, shedding light on the features that set them apart. From compact designs suitable for urban landscapes to powerful blowers capable of handling extensive acreage, we've curated a selection to cater to various needs and preferences. Join us as we navigate the winds of innovation and bring you the best in cordless leaf blowers, empowering you to make an informed choice for a cleaner, more efficient outdoor environment. Your opinion matters. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. Have you tried these cordless leaf blowers? Hit the like button if you found our review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on outdoor tools. Join our community, and let's make yard maintenance a breeze together. In the competitive realm of cordless leaf blowers, the Aoetree confidently secures its well-deserved third place, standing tall as a testament to its excellence in horticultural power tools. This global factory specializes in the development, research, design, and sale of cutting-edge products, with the lightweight leaf blower being a stellar example. The Aoetree leaf blower boasts easy assembly, making it versatile for a range of applications from patios and driveways to steps and sidewalks. Its user-friendly design allows for one-handed operation, featuring a single-button control for the leaf blower switch, eliminating the need for continuous button pressing and providing a comfortable user experience. Powered by a 20V2A lithium-ion battery accompanied by a charger, this cordless leaf blower ensures extended usage with a runtime of up to 100 minutes at low speed and 20 minutes at high speed. Leveraging top turbofan technology, it achieves impressive air output, reaching up to 130 miles per hour and 140 CFM for efficient indoor cleaning and outdoor leaf blowing. The Aoetree cordless leaf blower stands out with its easy assembly and one-handed operation, providing unparalleled convenience, but its limited high-speed runtime poses a drawback. With two adjustable blow tubes, inserting the battery and starting the leaf blower is a breeze with just one push. The adjustable blow tube length enhances the comfort factor for users of all heights, solidifying Aoetree's position as a reliable and user-centric choice in the competitive landscape of cordless leaf blowers. LAZYBOI has secured the runner-up spot in the highly competitive cordless leaf blower market, earning praise for effectively addressing common gardening challenges and concerns. Tackling the tediousness of leaf raking and the constraints of cords and bulky blowers, LAZYBOI offers a cordless leaf blower with two batteries, revolutionizing lightweight jobs. In just 30 minutes, you can effortlessly handle various terrains, including roofs and gutters. LAZYBOI understands the impatience of waiting for battery charging and delivers a game-changer with its 1-hour fast-charging convenience. The cordless leaf blower kit includes a fast charger and two 0 volts batteries, ensuring 40 minutes of work for low-speed mode and 30 minutes for high-speed mode. Advanced turbo technology propels the maximum airspeed to an impressive 150 miles per hour, efficiently handling stubborn debris. This LAZYBOI blower excels with its lightweight and cordless design, enhancing user experience. Weighing a mere 3.38 pounds, its ergonomic body reduces user fatigue by 30%, providing easy one-handed operation. The upgraded rubber grip not only ensures a non-slip experience, but also lends crucial support for smoother work. LAZYBOI's cordless leaf blower impresses with its rapid 1-hour charging, lightweight design for reduced fatigue, and advanced turbo technology, but its power-intensive turbo mode may limit prolonged usage. Safety is paramount, with LAZYBOI incorporating overheat protection in their batteries, prioritizing consumer well-being. In summary, LAZYBOI's cordless leaf blower emerges as a user-friendly, powerful solution, offering a seamless blend of efficiency, convenience, and safety in the competitive market. Subscribe now for the latest updates and expert insights. Join us. MZK has undeniably claimed its throne as the ultimate leaf blower, presenting a harmonious blend of innovation, flawless design, and unmatched quality. The wireless design liberates users from the tethers of cables, offering the freedom to move seamlessly across homes and yards. Without the constraints of wires, MZK empowers users to take on cleaning tasks without restrictions, creating a versatile cleaning solution for both indoor and outdoor spaces. The MZK leaf blower houses a formidable battery, capable of running for an impressive 15 minutes at maximum power output. This guarantees users the confidence to tackle cleaning tasks without the nagging worry of running out of battery life. Weighing a mere 3.9 pounds, this leaf blower's lightweight construction facilitates easy portability, and its one-hand operation allows for extended use without causing strain on muscles. Designed as the go-to cleaning tool for those seeking efficiency with minimal effort, MZK's leaf blower features a robust motor that achieves speeds of up to 130 mph/150 cfm. This power ensures effortless handling of fallen leaves, debris, and dirt in various settings, be it the garden, garage, or driveway. The consistently high performance and reliable results stem from the leaf blower's powerful motor. Versatility defines the MZK leaf blower, extending its utility beyond conventional scenarios. It excels in sweeping debris from shops, garages, driveways, outdoor yards, and gardens. MZK's leaf blower reigns supreme with its wireless design for unrestricted movement, a powerful 15-minute runtime, and a lightweight build, offering unparalleled convenience and performance. Moreover, it proves effective in removing snow, dust, debris, spider webs, and even in drying car surfaces. MZK's leaf blower emerges not just as a cleaning tool, but as a versatile, powerful companion catering to a myriad of cleaning needs. In essence, MZK's creation stands as the epitome of excellence in the realm of leaf blowers, setting a new standard for performance and convenience. In conclusion, the MZK's cordless leaf blower impresses with fast-charging, lightweight design and turbo technology, a versatile powerhouse for various tasks. Your thoughts matter. Comment on your leaf blower experiences, hit like if this was helpful, and subscribe for more insights on top-notch outdoor tools.